This is the data set where every user and their location movement are given in the file. User ID, venue ID, category, time zone and timestamps, latitude, longitude, movements. So we have to use this data set, browse the data set, and then pre-process. This is the pre-processing. Pre-processing is done. Then we have to give the user ID. User ID can be any. We have to take any one user ID from here. The date and time we have to mention. So we have three algorithms: decision tree, random forest, neural network. So everything will execute and show the results. It will take 5 minutes. So the next location could be office. That is what we are generating here. We take for using the algorithm, we are predicting the venue ID. All these things will be given as input, and we are predicting the next location of the user through decision tree and random forest through neural network. Random forest also predicting the same. So through random forest also we are predicting, and through neural network. So this is for neural network predicted as building. Thank you.